How to add contacts on Viber. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily add contact on Viber in just a couple of taps. First, let's add someone using their phone number. Open the Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now tap onto the more icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now in the new interference, you'll see an option called Add Contact. Tap on it. Now add a phone number. If the person uses the Viber, their profile will show up instantly. All you have to do is tap on Save Contact and you are done. You can also let Viber sync your phone contacts. Just allow contact access when prompted. Anyone from your contact using Viber will appear automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to add contact on Viber using this method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.